Hi, my name is Jamie. I own Glam Candy Boutique on Etsy. I love lollipops, whimsical decor. I love fake baking, and I like to share some free fake baking tutorials. Today, I want to show you how to make these giant gummy bear lollipop tree picks. And you can also modify it a little bit so that it can also just be an ornament with a little hook on top of it. I'll show you it all in the tutorial. You can also find me on TikTok under the Lollipop Lady, as well as on YouTube, and I hope you subscribe because as a small creator, it means the world to me. So to make the fake gummy bear tree pick, you are of course going to need a bear. I found these styrofoam bears. You can find them on Amazon. I do sell some in my shop, but they do sell very quickly. So if you do want one, go ahead and snap them up. Otherwise, you usually can find them on Amazon. So what I did was I just paint the bear with acrylic paint. You can get it from anywhere. And I just grabbed a dark purple, and then I decided I wanted a little bit lighter purple, so I went ahead and lined that with some white paint. So after your paint is all dry, what you're gonna do is gonna go ahead and Mod Podge the whole bear, or just a little section at a time, and then glitter each section. I used chunky glitter. It's a glitter mix that I kind of make myself. I just add light purple glitter with some chunky opalescent glitters. So after all that glitter is dry, what you're gonna do is take some more Mod Podge and do another coat just so that everything is all sealed in and it will last for years to come. So once it's all dry, you can take an eyelet screw or eyelet hook like this and just insert it into the bear as an ornament hook, or I will show you how to do a tree pick in just a second. So here I am, I've painted a dowel. This is like a 1/8 inch, and then I'm just going to insert that into the bottom. And now it's gonna be a tree pick, and it can kind of stand out from your tree versus just hanging in your tree. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I always appreciate it if you subscribe. If you're not crafty and you don't wanna make these are available in my shop, glamcandyboutique.etsy.com. They do sell out very fast though, so if you want some, you better come and grab some. Otherwise, I'm here. If you have any questions, if you want to make them on your own and you need some help, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.